Hi guys, kumusta kayo? And it has been a long time, no? I have been on hiatus since the market went bearish, and I tried to avoid the market as much as I could. So, so right now, I would just like to check how's the market, how's the PSEI, how's the Philippine index, and how are you guys? So right now, from what I see on the chart, no, the market stopped at the 6100 levels. Kita natin, no, from the horizontal line na ito yung naging support for the index. So I hope that you guys avoided the market as well, or if not, if you're experienced enough, hopefully that you are profitable during the technical bounce, diba? Yung mga ito around this one, maybe this one. So hopefully you are safe and didn't get discouraged by the movement of the market, since the market has has its cycle, and we're just here to um to join the ride, 'di ba? Hindi tayo big players, wala tayong millions or billions of peso to buy the company's stock and determine its movement. So right now, what's the best that we can do is just enjoy the ride, and hopefully we can take profit, maybe 3-5% at least, diba? It's better than nothing. Gain is gain, kumbaga. So what happened during kailan to? May 25, May 25th, 26th? Yeah. So the market managed to have a short-term reversal, and when the market or the index broke out of EMA 9, or what we used, no, for trend following, the index went up and up and up, no. Nagkaroon lang tayo ng konting ano dito, konting short conso. So we're not sure if this current movement right now is also a short consolidation. Then if not, what can our expectations be, no? So right now, looking at the fib going up, I think I have to create a new fib. So just to check yung naging reversal. So I mean, I don't want to be just that exact, but if you want, you can maybe do your own Fibonacci. Just since this is the start of the reversal, and I mean yung bearish movement, no, from January, and then yung ano nga, May 26 is the short-term reversal from its bearish movement. Ano ba magiging ano to, 'di ba? Around 6-8 levels, and we're consolidating around this area, no? From this box we can see that it's consolidating, and kung hindi to conso at the high, and this is distribution, then we can expect the price or the index to go down, and hopefully it will go down at uh, just delete this one first. Okay, it will go down to its golden ratio, which is that 618. That's what we call the golden ratio. It might go down and hopefully consolidate before it goes up again, kasi ang pinaka-catalyst na ang chine-check natin is yung election for next year, no? That would be the major ano tawag dito, major stimuli. Ano ba term ko kanina? Yun, yung parang may magiging pinaka epekto sa index ng market natin. But okay, no, there's a but if this is a conso on high, so it would consolidate. Would it be a short conso, or would it be a long consolidation? That we do not know. So expectation wise, next resistance natin, kasi ito na yan eh. Oh. Yan, itong levels na to, ito na yan eh. So next level would be around here. Yeah, I would expect it around 7,060, around those area. And kung saan nauntog din tong mga to. Okay? At least yan yung parang initial TP for now. Okay, next, we would like to check yung at least the top 10, no? So I did some graphs na for the at least few first 4 or 5. So video is a blue chip, so if this goes up, the market goes up as well. Now we're not looking at industry wise, no, regarding the banking industry or anything, but we're looking at least at the top 10 ng traded stocks for today. So if we're going to look, RSI is going up and going to the oversold area. So what's the behavior of video once it reaches the oversold area? Once it reaches the oversold area, it goes down, diba? Hindi siya yung pagkaangat sa oversold is nag-stay siya sa pagka-oversold. It would not, since the pandemic happened, the banking industry had taken its toll and it hit them hard since wala nga, mabagal ang pasok ng pera, bagsak ang ekonomiya ng Pinas, and we can expect them to have a laggard growth, or at least before it goes back to its previous level sa mga 150, 160, no? Tagal-tagal pinalakbay ni BDO, which is a good sign as well for us if you are looking for a long-term investment. No, imbis na itago mo yung pera mo sa bangko, invest it in stocks. But at least have a proper entry. Hindi yung pasok ko ngayon, no, hindi mo alam na medyo nasa peak na siya ngayon and it might go down, it might get cheaper, 'di ba? Before it goes up to its previous level. So taking a look at it, using Fibonacci, no. Sabihin natin ito na yung peak niya for now, okay? The term is for now. Since na-hit na yung resistance, if you're taking a look at the longer picture, no, na-hit yung resistance niya. So I wouldn't be surprised by tomorrow if magkakaroon ng profit taking. Since Tuesday is known as the TP Tuesday. TP for others and hopefully hindi ipit for you. And what would be the next one, no? Once na mag-retrace si BDO again to consolidate, using the Fibonacci and checking its golden ratio, which is the 618 level, it would go down to 105, no? That's why there's a Darvas box here. So it might go down here and consolidate further. Or kung malakas na talaga si BDO ngayon, since the country is being actively aggressive sa vaccination programs, though minimal ang movement, diba? Minimal siya compared to other countries, but at least we're going there and we're moving forward. Is mag-console siya on the high, and this is where you think that you might enter, no? That's why you need to at least check on what stock you want to invest or put your money in, diba? If it comes on high, then it would be a good entry before it goes further up, diba? Before it goes further up and go back to sa level na yan, diba? But immediate resistance, ano ba? Let's do a fib. Ito yung initial sign of reversal. At least for me. So next TP would be 124 around this area. Kita natin, no? Dito, di ba? And next one should be 140. Doon ba nauntog? Oh, doon nauntog to. Di ba? Isang fib. Then if you want to take further kumbaga gusto mo mag to the moon, 'di ba? 156, 'di ba? Resistance around this area. Then layo-layo pa 'yan. So for now we focus on the current or the immediate resistance level. So for now here initial resistance for sure is 115, then this two, 124 and 140. Let's move on. Okay, so Ali after the bottoming process niya, no, bearish movement, short conso here for about 2 months ba to? Yeah, around 2 months. Goes up and nagkaroon nating small conso, just like what the index looks like. Okay, but taking a look at it, masyadong mahaba yung candle for today, even though the selling volume is not that high compared dito sa nangyari last June 9. Okay, it touched, or at least it kissed the MA9, so it's still respecting that level. So what can you expect is for Ali to at least consolidate around this area, conso at the high, and then let's take a look at the fib for possible retracement levels. Sabihin natin na yan na yung end ng kanyang short-term movement. So we're looking at least the golden ratio is 34.28. So possibility, di ba? So we're just here to look at possibilities. So same with video, it either goes down, consolidate, and go up. I mean, retrace muna siya, or it will consolidate here before going up. So what would be the TP? So kita natin dito, TP is immediate resistance around here. Take a look at that, diba? Hit, then dito. So initial TP is around 39. Is it that 39? Yeah, 39 to 40 peso. Next would be around 41, and next is 42. Medyo masikip, no? Since blue chips medyo mabigat yan, so we do not expect such movements. Pero kung nakakasama kayo dito sa short term na to, no? I mean ito, past how many days? 2 weeks, past 2 weeks. Malaki yan, blue chips, tas ganyan yung movement, malaki yan. And hopefully nakasakay kayo. Let's go. DNL. What is happening with DNL, no? Laki-laki eh. Pero mukhang tapos na yung run ni DNL. Okay, ito, minarkahan ko na. Napakalaki nung selling volume for the past 2 days. So last Friday and today, tuloy pa din yung sell-off kay DNL after its short-term run. I mean, the price action is still above MA9, but you don't want to put yourself in a high risk na to eh. 'Di ba? Kumbaga, kung tatanungin nyo, medyo tapos na yung run at least. But if it's still in, 'di ba? Resistance, 'di ba? Resistance. It either goes up, then retrace siya dito sa binrake niya, or at least kung ito yung binrake niya, 'di ba? Possible retracement, then further continuation of movement. But taking a look at it, no, DNA ng DNL is once it reach the oversold area, nagkakaroon ng retracement unless it's here. Pero masyadong kumbaga siguro ito one off lang. Ito yung naging buying season last year. But taking a look at more of its mas solid yung selling after the RSI hits its oversold area. So just manage your expectations, but do not expect ng higher gain. Diba? JFC blue chips as well. Then once it went above its EMA 9, so kung nakapasa kayo dyan, then nag-trend follow, laki na yun, 19% guys. Then as usual, as what the index made us kung ano yung nakita natin sa index, what I mean is small console, then further go up. So initial TP, kung papasok pa kayo, wag na, 'di ba? Meron pa siguro mas magandang stock na pasukin instead of JFC for now at least, 'di ba? Kasi mukhang resistance na yan, no? Price movement resistance. Kumbaga hindi na ganun kalaki yung upside kay JFC. Possible retracement, then wait for it to move up. Kasi RSI, looking at the RSI, medyo oversold na rin siya. Yeah, oversold na siya. Okay, then let's look at Ever. Ito si Ever, not sure if there is actually a solid ground for its price movement, but if you captured the increase in volume last April, then I would applaud you, sir. Kumaga, being diligent in checking. Kasi kung dito ka nakapasok, nakita mo increase in volume action, tas nakiride ka na lang, laki na ng gain nyo, sir. But taking a look at it, medyo siya, parabolic, no? So what we have learned from last year's parabolic movement, the higher it goes, the lower it goes as well, the deeper it goes pala, the lower. So ingat-ingat na lang. If you have no position, stay away. Let's just watch the price movement for it, para next time we can be a part of those for those who bought at the bottom, and at least manage our expectations when selling, and at least anong term dito, securing your profits. So for now, I would stay away from Everna if you have no positions yet. But if not, medyo delikado na to. Though, I mean, looking at it, diba, mahaba din talaga yung wick Yung mga, kung hindi ka sanay, wag mo nang pasukin. Okay. BPI backing sector, same as BDO. So umangat lang siya sa EMA 9. So medyo laggard siya kumpara kay BDO, no? Taking a look at the bigger picture, it's still consolidating around those areas. So matsyag lang kayo dito. Once na nag-pick up na yung volume niyan, that would be interesting. So no major concerns for BPI. So kung malaki-laki yung consolidation box na yan, we would want it to be here, and of course immediate resistance here. Okay, then I would plot it next here and here. Layo-layo pa yan. Okay, Ace End. So one of the pambato last year, diba? Dito and Ace End. Yan ang mga mainit-init, kumbaga. So RSI level is going on a trend line, hopefully, And what we would actually want to see here for ASIN is what would it do around this area. Kasi ano na yan eh, resistance yan eh, solid o 8 nag-close. So we would we're not sure if it would be a TP Tuesday as well for tomorrow, or consolidate on high. So ito na yan eh. Immediate resistance yan for immediate support would be around 740. Kasi dyan yung nauntog yung mga ano eh. Diba? So yun lang din kay ASIN. This is what we would expect, either conso here or dito around this area. So if you want to enter the stock, wag muna ngayon. Monitor it for at least a few days, or kung bukas mag-breakout, diba? Breakout and breakout trader ka, then enter the trade. But kung low risk ka and position ka, medyo late na atang pumosisyon, kasi dito yung position dapat yan eh. Or at least pag nag-conso siya, doon ka mag-position. No? RSI is still good, but it's reaching its oversold area. Okay. Then globe, same globe. So it's still in its bottoming process. Medyo ano to, medyo mahirap silipin si globe, kasi meron siyang competitors like Converge and Dito, which are getting a part of their industry, diba? Kumbaga, nagkakaroon ng client si Converge, growth company siya. Dito is a bit aggressive as well, since diba nung last June 12 nagkaroon pa sila ng mga promo. So they're taking a slice of Globe's and PLDT's shares sa market. So medyo bad news sa kanila. So it would depend on Globe and PLDT on how they would counteract this movement from Converge and Dito. Yung masaya no, may competition. So better provide a better solution to us, guys, para lumaki-laki ang shares natin. So ilan na yun na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So last 2 ICT. So ICT, ang galing na to, no? So conso here. So once na nag-breakout siya last May 10, tuloy pa din ang uptrend ni ICT. Lakas niya, 8H na ba to? All-time high pala to. So if you do not have any positions with ICT, ito yan, diba? I would not say it's that. Siguro ito. Yan. Nung nag-break niya yan, nice. Ganda na movement niya, no? Ganda na movement ni ICT. So kung isa ka sa mga nakaposisyon dito, matsyag na lang, TP para may panglagay din sa ibang positions. Pero looking at the oversold area, the RSI, nasa oversold area na naman siya. And what's happening with ICT during its oversold? Nagsisell off here. Sell off conso, diba? Bagal ang movement niya. You cannot expect it to move like those stocks like EPL last year or BSC na almost 100% for about a few days, no? 2 to 3 days, 100% na kung nakapasok ka na maayos. Last one, BHI. So, BHI nagkaroon ng masyadong parabolic movement. So 2 days of almost a solid green candle. Nagkaroon ng sell-off for today. Sell-off, it's in the oversold area. Let's take a look. Nangyari na nag-oversold. Sell-off din. So hindi siya talaga yung momentum kung momentum. Ang galing na kung nakasalo ka dito and you have been patient with the company or with the stock. Laki-laki na rin yung kita mo. Okay, so sell off. Panigurado resistance niya din dito. Kung saan yan? Kasi kung sisilipin nyo, no, gap up siya eh. Medyo malaking problema yan kasi for sure maniningil mo na yan. Go here. Okay. That's the kind of movement that we want to happen. At least for BHI. If you really like the company. So, pahinga muna siya konti. Konso. Then, boil ulit. So, I guess that would be all for today, guys. So, that's 10 stocks and a review of the PSEI index. PSEI index, Philippine index na lang, no? And I hope that you guys have a wonderful day and good luck with your trades this coming week. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.